Hello guys, LifeHackster here, and today we are going to check out the Reolink Lumus. This is their second iteration of this model, and I did review the original one a long time ago, but I will link it down below if you want to check it out after you watch this video. Also, I bought this camera on Amazon. I'm not really sure what this Reolink model is competing with in the Wi-Fi security camera market. I'm thinking probably the Wisecam V4 and the Tapo C120. And I might do a comparison video on this in my future video, so comment below if you want me to. So this is a plug-in wired 2K security camera recording in 2560 by 1440 pixel resolution at 15 FPS. I know, only 15 frames per second, but before judging it, watch the video quality. It has a 129-degree diagonal field of view. It has spotlights, smart motion activated for color recording at night. And just like any Reolink camera, it has smart detection, person, vehicles, and pets. And connects directly to your Wi-Fi, dual band, 2.4 or 5 GHz. Local storage, so no subscription needed. It records to a microSD card and even records to Reolink's NVR. So it can stream to my NVR monitor just like my other wired Reolink cameras. This is weatherproof, IP65 rating, and works with Google Assistant and Amazon devices. Inside the box, you will get some paperwork and the camera itself. Same design as the older version, except this doesn't use a PIR sensor, which is better. We got the spotlights and status light, camera lens, infrared LEDs somewhere around, light sensor, and mic. On the back, we have the speaker and a 1/4-20 screw mount. On the bottom here, we have a rubber flap that covers the reset hole and the microSD card slot, and you can put in up to a 256GB card. It has a 3-foot permanently attached cable with a mini barrel port. We have the mount, plastic and metal, mounting screws and plastic anchors, and we have a power adapter, cable attached, 9.5 feet. And it is a mini barrel plug. And it is 5 volts 1 amp. I wish Reolink went with USB instead of barrel ports. But this will be easier and you will need a smaller hole than USB to go through ceilings or walls. To set up, first I'll insert a microSD card and plug in for power. Open up the Reolink app, plus sign, scan the QR code which is on the back of the camera. Configure Wi-Fi. As you can see, it can connect to either 2.4 or 5 GHz. Type in your Wi-Fi's password, and it will generate a QR code that you need to show the camera. Type in a device password, name your device, and it should be connected. To install, unscrew the mount and screw in the base plate using the 2 included screws. With this mount, you are limited in mounting the Lumus only to a wall or vertical install. Screw back in the mount and screw in the camera to the mount. Position it and tighten the mount like so. Let's check these settings in the app. Open up the Reolink app and you will see the snapshot from the camera. Click on it to get the live view, which loads up pretty quick. In here, you can pause the live view, listen in, take a snapshot or record the live view, change the live view's quality, clear, balanced, or fluent, and enlarge the live view. On top, you can manually trigger the siren, turn on the spotlights, which will turn the live view in color mode. Gear icon for the camera settings, and I'll show you the video quality. It records in 2560 by 1440, and frame rate is only up to 15, and the bitrate default is also the highest you can set. I changed the frame rate mode to constant. Detection alarm, we have the non-detection zones just like on other Reolink cameras. And sensitivity, motion sensitivity, and on smart detection, person, vehicles, and animals have separate sensitivities that you can dial in. Light, spotlight, and you can adjust the brightness. And on the modes, either spotlight off or smart mode, which it will turn on when it detects persons, vehicles, or animals. Camera recording, you can set just to record motion or smart events, or use the timer to set it to record 24/7. And on the push notifications, you can choose which motion you want to be notified about. And this Reolink Lumus also has the time-lapse feature, which you can set just like the Wisecams. Now, time to do some testing. So this is the video and audio quality of the Reolink Lumus and video clarity test at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Like this. This is the video quality of the Reolink Lumus at night, and this with its spotlights turned on. And this is what it looks like at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this is the video quality of the Reolink Lumus at night, and this with the spotlights off, and there's 6 infrared LEDs. And this is what it looks like at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30. We are going to check the motion alert notification speed of the Reolink Lumus, and I'm on my 5G cellular network, and let's check it out. There you go. That's pretty quick. No rich notification. Click on it and it should open up the live view. And it should load up decently quick right there. 12:08. All right, so it's 12:09. So let's see if there is a notification cool off. On the settings, there is a setting for like a push interval, and the most that you can do is every 20 seconds, and that's what I set it to, and I should be getting a notification again. Cool. Nice. Loads up pretty quick. All right, so we are going to test the maximum detection distance of the Reolink Lumus, and I've set the motion sensitivity to the highest, which is 50, and also the smart detection person to the highest also. Let's check it out at 40 feet. Yep, got me at 40 feet. Excellent.
This is the audio quality coming out from the Reolink Lumus. This is the audio quality coming out from the Reolink Lumus.
Stream Reolink Lumus camera.
Okay.
So what do you think? This camera performed well in my testing. Video quality is pretty good, even if it's only recording in 15 frames per second. I wish Reolink should have bumped this up. I know they have Wi-Fi models that can record up to 25 FPS. I like that you can easily add this camera to your Reolink NVR, and if you have a monitor setup, then you can stream it together with your other Reolink IP cameras. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.